What up, IbbyInspired fam? Bam! Hey! Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to bleach your knots to make your scalp look as realistic as possible. Today's wig was brought to you by Per Star Hair, which is an Amazon vendor. I will leave the link down below. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So as you can see, the knots right now are completely not blended in with my skin. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like before we get it bleached. This hair is from Per Star Hair, which is a vendor from Amazon. This is what the label is looking like. The hair, guys, is absolutely amazing. Very minimal shedding. So you guys, I definitely recommend this wig. As you guys can see here, I am flipping the wig over and I'm putting it on our headpiece to get it ready for bleaching. For that, I am pinning down the wig so it does not fall out of place when we're bleaching. You will need a bowl and a brush, which you can get from your local beauty hair supply store, and the BW powder lightener, which is from Clairol. I find that this product works best for my lace front wigs. You will also need the Clairol Pure White in the 30 volume developer. 30 always works best. So need the Ardell Red Gold Corrector Plus. This is going to be like everything when you bleach your wigs because it's going to help with the brassiness. Guys, I'm going to take that BW2 powder. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the bowl. And really, guys, I just eye the amount. There's no certain amount for this. You really just have to eye it. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my 30. Ooh, she crusty, she dusty. What is she doing, hunty? And then I'm going to go ahead and take 30 volume developer. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the bowl as well. And again, I'm just eyeing everything because it really depends on the size of your lace. And I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to mix everything together until it becomes very pasty. So here, guys, I wanted to show you a perfect example of what your paste is supposed to look like. As you can see, I am shaking it. I'm trying to make it droop and it is not drooping at all. A droopy paste means a very droopy lace. Just remember that, okay? So the paste will get on your hair if you do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Ardell Red Gold Corrector Plus, and I'm just gonna put a few drops, maybe 3 to 4 drops into the paste. And again, this is going to prevent that brassiness from happening. You do not want your lace to look very yellow or gold, so that's gonna cancel that out. So here's the part that you guys want to be most careful with, and that is taking the paste and covering it all over the lace. You want to be very careful, and as you guys can see, I'm being very gentle because you do not want that paste to seep through your lace to cause blonde roots. So just be very careful and cover that paste all over the lace part of your wig. This is what your wig should be looking like after you finish covering the paste all over your lace. As you can see, I covered it from the very top of the lace to the very bottom of the lace. I just like to make sure that everything is covered. And now I'm gonna wait about 30 minutes for everything to process. So I'm just putting on a timer and I'm waiting on that. So 30 minutes is up. Now you're going to need your olive oil neutralizing shampoo. Also the Shimmering Lights shampoo, and this is the purple shampoo. And then you're gonna need your Shimmer Lights conditioner, and this is the purple conditioner. As you guys can see, I'm taking the olive oil neutralizing shampoo and I'm putting a very generous amount on the wig, and that's because I don't want any more bleach to be activated onto my wig. So essentially the neutralizing shampoo just stops the bleach from working after it's bleached the lace. So again, as you can see, a very generous amount, and I am just scrubbing everything from lace to the ends of the wig. Before I did the Shimmer Light shampoo and conditioner, I wanted to show you guys how nice the bleach took to the lace. Do you guys see that? It's brown. It pretty much looks like my skin tone already, and I haven't even toned the wig yet, so it's really looking really nice right now. I also wanted to show you guys how well this lace is blended now into my skin. Do you guys see that? It pretty much looks invisible, and again, I haven't even put the toner on already. So just like our neutralizing shampoo, we're gonna take that Shimmer Lights purple shampoo and we're putting on a generous amount. And I normally like to use this shampoo all around the wig just to get any residue from the bleach paste out of the wig. Here I wanted to show you guys how well the wig does under all these conditions. I got literally minimal to no shedding at all. So now I'm taking the Shimmer Lights conditioner, putting it all over my wig, and I am giving it about 5 minutes to sit just to soften the wig up. This is a new product that I got from the Wig Cruise, and this is a tinted product. This shade is in Chocolate Darling. This is my first time using it. I'm really nervous, but this should make our lace fit to our skin tone as much as possible. So I will also leave a link down below for that. So directions say to spray this product in with a warm bowl of water and let the wig sit in the water, but I'm just spraying this product directly to the lace and it seems like it's working just fine. So I wanted to show you guys what the lace looked like after spraying it with the tint. Look how flawless that looks, you guys. Look at the scalp. It looks absolutely amazing. I can barely tell that the lace is there. Bald-headed Biddy, bald-headed Biddy. You guys, there's something wrong with me. Anyways, as you can see, I have a close to color wig cap. You can get this from your local beauty hair supply store. I really don't like putting makeup on my wig cap, so I try to get it that's close to my skin complexion. I'm not sure why I'm turning up so much, but I'm showing you guys how to cut the lace and how blended it's going to look with my skin. So I did get a little bit of bleach on my wig, just a little bit, but that can be fixed. But anyways, I am taking a razor. You can also get this from your local beauty hair supply store. And I am cutting my lace off. And here I wanted to show you guys again how well the lace blends in with my actual skin. So when I cut this lace to its entirety and when I glue it down, hunty, it is over. It is over. Okay. So my lace is pretty much all cut off. I'm probably going to cut off a little bit more and I'm going to glue down the wig. But I wanted to show you guys the blend of it all. So as you can see, I'm pressing down the lace to my skin and look at that blend. It looks like my scalp. This is not a joke, y'all. This is not a game. What you thought? And this is how I get my knots looking as flawless as possible. If you guys want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to that IbbyInspired Fam Bam. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.